What's going on, y'all? First POV drive of the year. Hopefully the angle is good. Kind of hard to tell once it's on your head because I can't see in the back of my head or on the top. So anyways, I'm currently in some medium traffic, nothing heavy. I got everybody looking at me like, what's this thing on this guy's head? Anyways, how's everyone's New Year's going? And what are y'all's New Year's resolution? Well, for me, is to obviously fix the M3 some more and also add in some appearance parts, because all I focused on was just getting the car back up on its maintenance, which is, you know, always a good thing. A few things I want to do when I get back for some training is the valve covers, now that I got them from NRW. So I was supposed to do them when I got the valve covers, but then I got busy and had to go on some training as well. So that kind of misconstrued some timelines there, but nonetheless, it's okay. You know, that's what happens. Life gets in the way, and the fun things that we want to do have to get put on hold. So you see it, good old sunny Hawaii. They say it's always sunny in California, but I beg to differ. I've lived in California before too, good amount of my life, and here in Hawaii it's always sunny and it's summer year round. So there's a just missed it. So that one bump on that corner, I always hit it in my beater. So last thing I want to do is hit it in this car. I would say the commutes, whether you're going to and from work or just wanting to cruise, there's a certain time of the day you want to do it out here in Hawaii. Around this time, 10, not too bad. Everyone's at work. But then again, around this time at 10, who is off and able to do this? Well, for me, I'm on leave, so I'm able to do this. But let's just say that everyone that's here on vacation and wants to do a cruise in their Renault Mustang or Renault Camaro, these are the times to do it. Don't do it in the peak hours of 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock or 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock, and that's PM. You will be stuck in some heavy traffic. But you see it. I don't know if y'all can see the dash, but all good. No lights, nothing. I love it. I will eventually change out the infotainment system. I want that new one where you can have the backup camera, and then you can also have a forward camera. I saw that on a sales garage. So I think that'd be a neat feature, you know. Might as well modernize your car if this is your forever car. 50-50 I say this is my forever car because one, I don't have a payment on it. Two, I don't have to, you know, worry about going to get something new. I just gotta upkeep the maintenance. Yeah, gas is not great, it's a V8, but I mean, that's the price you pay for more liters and more displacement. Now granted, if I was in a position to get a newer car, I would love to have a E92 M3 with the carbon buckets and manual. One of these days I will eventually get something auto, but for now I just can't. My beater is auto and my 4Runner is auto, so those will suffice for the autos. But if I have a choice and manual is still available, I'll go manual all day. That's something that I learned on, and that's just something that I love. I mean, even in heavy traffic, I love manual, even though it does suck. But I mean, what do they say? Save the manuals. As you see right there, that's Twin Towers apartment complex. By the way, the camera that I'm using now is the GoPro 12 Black. Nice Christmas gift. And I will say, if I'm looking at the quality compared to my 7 and 8, it's nice. Now, I do miss my 8 though, because the features is, once you're done recording, it uploads automatically to your phone. So I'm sure that the 12 will do that too, but my 7 didn't do it, so that's why I sold it. I will miss that camera. That was my first GoPro that I got as a gift, and yeah, I will think about it in memory. So currently in 6th gear, under 3,000 RPMs, 60-ish miles an hour, not bad. By the way, what's y'all's New Year resolution? What were y'all plan on doing? Comment below, let me know. I always like to message back to people in the comment section. I had a few message me about if the M3 comes with the automatic mirror tilt. It does. It's right here if you can see it. So for an 08, I like that it came with it. But on the M3, I had someone comment. I told them that it does come with it automatically. You just have to switch it to on or off. Left is on, to the right is off, I believe, or I think to the right is off. Yeah, to the right is off. Nice Porsche up there. I like that color. Oof. Got the good old tanks, welding tanks. One of these days, I'd like a Cayman, something affordable. I know GT2, GT3, those are out of the question, but a Cayman wouldn't be too bad. The 718 manual, of course. There was one for sale in Germany when I was out there, and it actually wasn't bad priced. I mean, of course, you buy it first, it's a lot of money, but it was, what was it? I think it was 100 grand, right? So you get it for 100 grand, finance for however long, unless you can buy it outright if you're in that position, and then the car's gonna last. I believe it was it had some nice seats too. If I can find it, I'll post it up on what it looked like. The place that I bought my G80 M3 and my M2 competition is where they were selling it. It was from Barbarian Motor Cars, and yeah, traffic is it's not heavy, but it's moderate right now. It's not. There's a good amount of cars for being on a work day. And I do have to wash my car though. Oh, this truck just muscled his way in. I gotta wash my car because of the fireworks debris that happened over New Year's. The funny thing is, where I park is not even close to where the fireworks are going off, but it's all airborne, so everything that comes up must go down. So that's where the wind probably blew it on the car and everything. I just got to get off this gunk. So try to film that washing if I can, or not. Stoppers. Oh, why you braking, bro? I will say that this year I plan on just enjoying the car more. 2023 I enjoyed it as well, but I felt like I was fixing it more than anything. And you know, that's what happens. You buy an older car that wasn't really maintained. You know, nothing against the previous owner, just maybe he got busy or something, you know. So each his own. Oh, this is an electric vehicle. Interesting. Cut off and then I'll roll down the window, just get a little juice and sounds. And now I got the window up, so I don't think you guys hear anything. Maybe, I'm not sure. A little high on the downshift there. There we go, not too bad now. Oh yeah. Anyways, just wanted to give y'all a quick POV drive of the year. There will be more of these, so thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all next time. All right, y'all.